Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of vlogging. And as you can see, we are in a vehicle, and today we are going to our grandparents' village, which is New Vungdi village. We are going to visit our grandparents. They are very old, and yeah, we are the ones who will be visiting them. So we are going to the village, and as you can see, we are on a journey, and you can see my dad driving the car, my mom, and yeah, so enjoy the video, please. So guys, finally we have reached, as you can see, my grandparents' house. Abu, 자 지죠. Hello Ash.
Hello. Dala.
Video dah lah video.
Video.
So he's cooking rice, very traditional old cooking style. This is the kitchen. The queen.
Semua kecil. Napa arus nyanya marnya. Tak soza.
Ani biji rami. Asalnya.
Vietnam.
So guys, no current at the moment. So we are struggling with the light. Please enjoy the video. No.
Hello. Like the arco. Setela. Ne o setela. Polo sele ya sele.
是
就了比那polo sele.
下谁？咋了你？哎，Kelly走来。
是没看不是是。
钱啦。
哦哎，介绍。
他们钱呢？是。
都快去支撑，把了阿旭原来才会对的，阿多克支撑。
可以有什么？
妈妈炸水给冲走了。那弄怎么进门呢？
kaduya ka ne de lusi chuwa sa kaduya ka no kaduya ra ka ne
那阿婆，
takra ne kaduya ti ya khi takra u no ra no u kuri yong kan
你比如，부둔이 스튜디,
ju si chu ne pu
지구야공 스튜브,
ko ya on si
나 아사나 우물리비라.
Malipina ni nong malina dadas wike sei se tu ya sa atu malip
Chịu lên rất là dọc là.
siapa
Chalo, ta bảo cái sao chả. Ромчик. Я не кем
Bye bye guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please share and like, share and subscribe.
Laklak-laklak na sa chuli dahil sin aliban.
Ada chico, sino.
Ay.
No,
Ajino, Abu no.